So this machine has a 3 turret and 2 spindle. NTY³-150V help to reduce the cycle time. Normally their area and a turret cannot reach. Left turret move back, allowing the right turret to reach in. Crossover stroke improve the productivity. Hello machinists, my name is Takuro Kakeyama from marketing department. We are at the Nakamura-Tome Japan to show you our new machine NTY³-150V. So this model is the fourth model for the V series. Maybe I hope you remember this concept is the faster than the fastest. So I'm happy to explain about new machine today. Okay, let's start it. So this machine has a 3 turret and 2 spindle. The recently 3 turret machine have become very popular. Why? Because they are making the production much faster. Here is a sample workpiece made on this machine. This is actually part for the robot. On this workpiece, there is a front side and then also on back side. And then front side machine, actually this is the front side, its machines make on the left side spindle, and then back side is making on the right side spindle. And then if we take a look at that part, left side, on this part is the cycle time a little bit longer than on the back side. So in that case, which time will be the total cycle time? It's gonna be slower side. The total cycle time is decided by the slower side. That's why the lower on the third turret is a very useful. Actually, lower turret can move to the left, to the right, to the each spindle. And then what we can do? Lower turret can help to reduce the cycle time by using up and lower and a pinch turning and a pinch milling. And then you can reduce the total cycle time and improve the productivity. And then this lower turret can also be used as a support. For example, you can put like a center support or a steady rest to put on lower turret to support the workpiece. For it can be hold a long workpiece with center support or steady rest. As you can see in the 3 turret helps to make a various workpiece. And with 3 turret, we can mount up to maximum 72 tools. In each turret, you can mount 24 tools. This makes it easy to run different jobs without set up the machines. These are the reasons why the 3 turret machines is getting popular, and we have released a new model for these machines. Okay, let's start to explain about the unique features of our new 3 turret machines, NTY³-150V. The first feature is a crossover stroke. Normally their area and a turret cannot reach. But with crossover stroke, the left turret move back, allowing the right turret to reach in. So even longer workpiece can be handled. But that is not all. Second feature is we call the chrono cut. Notice the V at the end of the model name. V stand for the velocity. NTY³-150V is a machine built for the speed. It comes standard with a feature called the chrono cut, which reduces the idle time. As you know, during the machining, there is a cutting time and non-cutting time. Cutting time is the time that's making money, but non-cutting time that doesn't make money. This is the reason why we have speed up, such as turret indexing and the C-axis positioning time. And then chrono cut minimize the totally idle time and then improve the productivity. And also, that's NTY3 come with 10,000 RPM milling as standard. Operation like the chamfering and the deburring can be done quickly and efficiently. Many shops still use the manual labor just for deburring, but with this machine you can finish everything inside the machine. In fact, many customers have reported significant cycle time reduction simply by running their existing program on the V series. This machine is not only the fast, third feature is the powerful. It can handle bar stock up to 80mm bar capacity, and its high rigidity frame and index unit allows for the stable heavy cutting. Okay, let's move on to the live cutting demos. We will start with simultaneous turning on the upper and lower turret. Each turret is taking a 3mm depth of cut with a total 6mm. So as you can hear, the machine runs very quietly, which shows how rigid it is. Next, we will move on to the simultaneous milling using upper and lower turret. Both are equipped with 60mm insert cutter because all three turrets have y-axis with maximum 40N milling power. This kind of operation, even with tough materials. Currently, we have been seeing more customers making some square or hexagon shaped parts, even with the turning center, because of the WY or NTY3 and concept machines. The combination of upper and lower turret allows for efficient and stable machining. Now, we will show internal gear skiving on the light spindle. Take a look at this section of parts. Module 1 gear, and we get ISO class 8 policy, even with turret machine. This comes from rigidity construction and accurate synchronization control. With NTY³-150V, complex parts can be machined more efficiently and with higher productivity. So far, we have focused on the machine, but this machine also puts emphasis on environmental performance. First one, all linear axes are used in the grease lubrication. That significantly reduces the oil consumption. Second, we have an inverter type controlled hydraulic motor that cut down the power consumption. Third one, regenerative power returns the energy from the motor deceleration back to the power supply, meaning the more the machine runs, more the energy is recovered. It's a good one, right? On this show, we have also installed SMC's air management system to monitor the optimized consumption by shutting off the unnecessary purge air during the standby. It helps to eliminate waste and save the energy. So we can offer this system to each customer at specific need. NTY³-150V, we combine the speed and the power and the environment performance. A machine designed to support the next level of the product. Thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you, machinists. Bye. Bye-bye.